The Ninja Double Stack XL countertop oven and air fryer is an impressive all-in-one kitchen appliance that combines versatility, convenience, and power in a sleek stainless steel design. This 12-in-1 oven is built to handle nearly every cooking task you can imagine, from air frying and baking to broiling, reheating, pizza making, and more. The standout feature of this model is its DualZone technology, which allows you to cook two different items at once at different temperatures or settings. This can save you time and make meal prep more efficient, particularly when cooking multiple dishes or preparing different food types at once. The FlexDoor feature offers additional flexibility by allowing you to open just the top part of the oven when needed, making it easier to access your food without taking up extra counter space. The FlavorSeal function ensures that the food remains juicy on the inside while achieving a crispy, golden exterior, particularly when using the air fryer mode. It locks in moisture and flavors, so your dishes come out delicious every time. The Smart Finish technology is another noteworthy feature. It ensures that both zones of the oven finish cooking at the same time, eliminating the need for constant checking or adjustments. This is especially helpful when you have different items cooking with different times and temperatures, as it synchronizes the process and makes cooking a lot more seamless. The 12-in-1 functionality gives you the flexibility to experiment with a variety of cooking styles. Whether you're looking to bake a cake, air fry some crispy chicken wings, or reheat leftovers, this Ninja countertop oven can do it all. With 360-degree air circulation, it also ensures an even cook, no matter what mode you're using.